A math, let's see, 100% important. And if it is given in the exam, write it down. None of you will be able to do it. 1 by x, x square plus 1 whole square. What are the factors here? X, x square plus 1. These are the factors, right? So, what should we do? A by x. Now I am going to take this one. That means this. But we cannot find the value from here. X square plus 1 equals to 0. That I told you. A square number cannot be negative. So what is to do? For this part, I have to take bx plus c. And another thing, x square plus 1 whole square. So it is also, imaginary number. It is dx plus e. This is 1. I think all of you have got it. Multiplying both sides of 1 by multiplying both sides of 1 by x into x square plus 1 whole square. We get. So let's multiply. 1 is equal to, if I take a, then it is x square plus 1 whole square. Then for this part, bx plus c, it is x into x square plus 1. Then for last part, dx plus e, it is what? Only x. Here the degree is what? 2 to the 4, 4 and it is 1, 5. See the denominator. We are getting the degrees 5 of the polynomial. Power is 1, here power is 2 to 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So we have to take 5 unknowns. A, B, C, D, E. We have taken 5 unknowns. Okay. Now you see, we can get only x equals to 0 and we cannot find any value from here. So write down putting x equals to 0 in 2. X equals to 0. So we are getting here 1. We are getting here 0. That means a into 0 square means 0 plus 1 whole square. That means a equals to 1. This math is given. If this math is given, then you have to find the value of a at first. And in the CQ question, creative question, it will be of 2 marks. Up to this, you will get 2 marks. At first, it will be told, find the value of a. So you can easily find the value of A as by 1 here. So it will be of 2 marks. Okay. I mean, this math, only this math will be of 10 marks. Now you see, we don't know any other value, but we have to find another 4 unknowns. That means we have to expand 2, write down from 2 you get. Pay attention, be careful. From 2,
Sir,
yes.
sir, while doing the quadratic equations, we said that as the denominator x squared plus 1, to make a ideal form in the numerator, we have to write bx plus c.
That they told you that they told you. Can you remember please? Suppose it would be a by x. Suppose it would be b by x square plus 1. It would be c by x square plus 1. It would be d by x square plus 1 whole square. It would be e by x square plus 1 whole square. Right? It would be. You see, we are getting same. We are getting same. Have you seen? Okay? And we don't know any value. So to find the value of x, we have to take x here or x here. So this part is done. We cannot find value. So we have to take x here or x here. Anything. You will get the result. Now if we get LCM, you will get it. If you get LCM, you will get it. Get to understand. Now from 2 we get it is 1. Here it is. Let me know. X to the power 4 plus then 2 x square plus 1. Please try to understand. Here bx plus c. Now you multiply x cube plus x. You again multiply d x square plus ex. Right? Again, we can write down 1 a x to the power 4 plus 2 a x square plus only a. Now multiply it b x to the power 4 plus b x square plus cx cube plus cx. What I am going here? How I am going to do? Just multiplication plus dx square plus ex. Okay, just I have multiplied, nothing else I did. Now equating, can you please tell me? Equating what?
x to the power 4.
Yes. Equating the coefficient of x to the power 4. The x to the power 4 here, yes, there is x to the power 4. In the left hand side, there is x to the power 4 in this format, 0 into x to the power 4. That is the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 0. So 0 is equal to, now you see where we get x to the power 4 in the right hand side. Where? We get x to the power 4 in the right hand side. Where we get? x to the power 4, you see, this is x to the power 4, this is x to the power 4, right? So we are getting a plus b, a equals to 1, that is 0 equals to 1 plus b. So from this equation, we can get b is equal to s by minus 1. Please try to understand. B equals to s by minus 1. Then equating the coefficient of, now what will be x to the power 4, it is x to the power 3. In the left hand side, it is 0. X to the power 3. Why we are getting x to the power 3? Where? It is 4, 4. This part only x to the power 3, right? So we are getting only c. Implies that c equals to 0. Now, equating the coefficient of x square. Equating the coefficient of x square. It is 0. X square. We are getting x square. It is 2a. Write down 2a. X square. It is b. Write down plus b. And it is d. Write down plus d. Now put the values. 0 is equal to, what is the value of a? A is 1. So 2 into 1 plus b. What is the value of b? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus d. So we are getting 2 minus 1, that is 1. So d equals to minus 1. Is it? Now equating the coefficient of x. Equating the coefficient x. It is 0. 0 is equal to x. Where is x? You see, where is x? Where is x? This is cx and ex. So we can write here c plus e. What's the word c? C is 0. That is 0 equals to 0 plus e. From here we are getting e equals to 0. Our math is done. But the interesting fact is that it is done. Okay, very good. If I equate the constant term, suppose the math is done. Constant, this is constant, this is constant. Then no other constant. So what is the value of a? A equals to 1. Can you remember at first we found a equals to 1? Everybody, are you getting me? At first we found a equals to 1. That is, if we equate only constant terms, we will get 1 equals to a. Okay? So our math is done. Now, can you remember please what was number 1? So from 1 equals to what? 1 by x into x square plus 1 whole square was equal to a by x bx plus c by x square plus 1 dx plus e by x square plus 1 whole square. It was 1. Now put the value. What is the value of a? A is 1. 1 by x. What is the value of b? B is minus 1. B is minus 1. So b is minus 1. That is minus x. What is the value of c? C is 0. Then what is the value of dx? Minus 1. What is the value of e? E is 0. I have just put the values, nothing else I have done here. Now it can be written as by 1 by x minus x by x square plus 1 minus x by now please verify it whether you are right or wrong. Have the by x square. Now what you would do, you please try to understand. For the previous math our degree was 5, but for this math we are getting the degree what? Here 2, here 2 to the 4, 6. So we have to get 6 unknowns. A by x, b by x square, then x square plus 1. So we'll get, let me know, cx plus d. Then we are getting x square plus 1 whole square, ex plus f. We have got 6 unknowns, a, b, c, d, e, f. As the degree is 6, it is 1 now. Multiplying both sides of 1 by both sides of 1 by x square plus 1 whole square, we get. Here we are getting 1 is equal to ax into x square plus 1 whole square. Then b into x square plus 1 whole square. Then cx plus d into square into plus 1. Then ex plus f into only x square. This is 2. What the value can be put here? We know only one value, that is x equals to 0. No other value is known. Putting x equals to 0 into x equals to 0 into. So x equals to 0, it is 1. X equals to 0, it is 0. 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 So we are getting only this part. B into 0 plus 1 whole square. And all others will be 0. From here we can write b equals to 1. Write down from 2 we get From 2 we get 1 equals to ax into x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1, right? Here, same thing, b x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Here we get cx plus d, okay? Cx plus d into x to the power 4 plus x square. And here we get e x cube plus f x square. But we are not done yet, which implies that 1 is equal to a x to the power 5 plus x into 2 2a x cube plus ax. Here we get bx to the power 4 2b x square plus b. And here we get cx cube cx to the power 5 plus cx cube plus dx4 plus dx square. Okay, can you see the board? Plus ex cube plus fx square. E x cube plus fx square. Okay. Now equating, can you please let me know? Equating the coefficient of x to the power 5. So here it is 0. X to the power 5. Where we are getting x to the power 5? We are getting x to the power 5 here and here. Have you seen? X to the power 5. We are getting a, and here it is c, right? It is now 3 because we have no value. B cannot be put here. Okay. We know only b equals to 1, but we don't have any b in the last equation. Not a matter. Equating the coefficient of it is x to the power 5. It is now x to the power 4. X to the power 4, that means what? 0. X to the power 4. We are getting x to the power 4 here b. B. Here B plus D. Perhaps it's okay. B and D. So we know B as by 1. That is 0 equals to 1 plus D. Implies that D equals to minus 1. Equating the coefficient of x cubed. It is 0 in the left hand side. X cubed. We are getting 2a. It is x cubed. Here it is plus c. X cubed, it is plus e. It is plus e.
Sir, can you hear me?
Okay, are you getting me? Hello? So we are getting the coefficient of x square as by 0. X square, x square, x square. This is 2b. This is 2b. X square, x square. This is d. X square. This is f. So we know by this time the value of b and d implies that 0 is equal to what's about b? Can you remember that the value of b was 1? Value of b is 1, that is 2. And d is what? Minus 1 plus f. That means f equals to minus 1. Okay. Now equating the coefficient of x. Equating the coefficient of x. 0 is equal to x. We are getting here, this is a. We are getting here, this is b. No, sorry, x. This is x. Okay. A equals to 0. Okay. So we are done. A equals to 0. Okay. Now we won't do anything. We are done here actually. You see, you give emphasis on equation 3. Write down from 3. From 3. 0 equal to, what is the value of a? A is 0. 0 plus c. So we can write here c equals to 0. 3 is done. Now there is another equation, number 4. You write down from 4. From 4, we are getting 0. What is the value of a? 2a. A is 0. What is the value of c? C is 0. So what is the value of e? E is also 0. Now you write down, we have got all values. You write down from 1. From 1. It was 1 by x square plus 1 whole square is equal to a by x, b by x square plus cx plus d x square plus 1 plus ex plus f by x square plus 1 whole square. It was number 1. Put the value of a. A is what? A is 0. So 0 by x. What is b? Can you remember what was b? B was 1. What is C? C is 0. So we are getting D. D equals to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 by x square plus 1. What is E? What is E? E is 0. What is F? Minus 1. Minus 1 by, it is our math. Any of you, please. Okay, you can do another line.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is it possible to first equate the coefficient of x, then x square,
No,
then
no, no. It may not be. It may be for some math, but almost for every math, it may not be possible. Better you have to find a value at first. Is equal to, when you will get a factor, you have to find 1 by x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. But in these two maths, it can be done. Minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. Now, any of you, please get the LCM. Our math is done, but you have to verify. Please, all of you. And you have tendency not to verify. I don't know why. You verify it. Verification. Verification. Right hand side, we are getting here x square plus 1 whole square. So we are getting here only x square plus 1 whole square minus, it is x square plus 1 minus, please do it. You see, x square plus 1 can be taken common from the first two. So we are getting here x square plus 1 minus x square minus x square. I have taken x square plus 1 common from the first two. And you see, we are left with here x square. That means x square plus 1 minus x square by x square into what comes next. This will be omitted. So we have got our left hand side, right? Okay. This verification can be done by yourself at home. Now, another math I gave you. Write down important math. X cube by x square minus 9. Dear students, can you please differentiate with this math and all the maths of partial fractions that I did? You see, it is a fraction which is improper fraction. But every math that I did, suppose it is x, this math. Okay, when it is proper and improper, you have to find it. It is power what? X to the power 5. It is only x to the power 0. So it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? It is proper fraction. That is 3 less than 4. That is numerator is less than denominator. Now in this math, you see numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, have you got it? Numerator is greater than denominator because it depends on power. Okay, you put any value. you will get it. Can you please put any value? Suppose x equals to 1 or x equals to, you let 3. Suppose x equals to 3. Then we are getting what? 27 by, okay, for 3 it won't be. So take suppose 4. X equals to 4, that means what? 4 cube. 4 cube means what? 64. It is 4 square, means what? 16 minus 9. So 64 by 7. So it is an improper fraction. Okay. For our last all maths, it was proper fraction. How to identify
Sir, if
proper?
it is 1, if x is equal to 1,
X equals to 1, that means what? 1 minus 8. So we are getting 1 minus what? Minus 7. So here 1 is greater than minus 7.
yes,
But
sir.
you are right. Yes, I can take this 1 by 7
Yes, sir.
minus 1 by 7. That's also right. But yeah, what is on a given? We will give emphasis here. Okay. When I am going to show you that numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. So it is an improper fraction. So a side note is to be given at first. Write down the given. Always you have to write the given rational fraction is an improper fraction. At first you have to write it. The given rational fraction is an improper fraction. And if you come to know any fraction as by improper fraction, then you have functioning. What is the functioning? You see, write down therefore x cubed by x square minus 9 is equal to, what is your first duty? You write down x square minus 9. You write down x square minus 9. You see, we have got the same. Please try to understand. But we have not got the numerator. There is x cube. So how to make x cube? If I multiply by x. Now we are getting x cube. But there is minus 9x. So it is plus 9x. Try to understand. If you want, I can show it again. Okay, you see, what will you do? What is the denominator? You please complete the denominator at first. Minus 9. You have to write that x square minus 9. Now it is x cube. So we multiply it by x. We are getting x cube. But it is minus 9x. There is no minus 9x. So there will be plus 9x. Minus 9x and plus 9x will be omitted. Right? So we are getting here, you see, x into x square minus 9 by x square minus 9. Okay. Plus 9x by x square minus 9. Okay. Talk to me. That means we are getting here x plus 9x by, okay, now it is 1. Or you can write here x by x plus 9x, x plus 3, x minus 3. Now it is our 1. Okay. I mean, we have got this equal to this. Now it is our math. It is our math now. Here, you see this part. Here x into x, x square, power is 2. Here power is 1. So it will be considered that it is a proper fraction. Write down here 9x by x plus 3 x minus 3 is a proper fraction. Now our math starts. Let, it is our new math. Let 9x by x plus 3 x minus 3 is equal to a by x plus 3 b by x minus 3. It is now 2.
The proper fraction থেকে ইয়ে করে না, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
That I know. Write down multiplying both sides of 2 multiplying both sides of 2 by x plus 3 x minus 3. We get 9x is equal to a into x minus 3 b into x plus 3. This is now 3. Can you put the value? Putting here x equals to 3 in 3. We get x equals to 3. Then we are getting here 3 into 9, 3 into 9, 27 is equal to, it is 3, 0. So we are getting b into 3 plus 3. That means 3 plus 6, 6b equals to 27. That means, can you tell me b equals to what? 9 by 2, dividing by 3. Putting x equals to minus 3 in 3, we get x equals to minus 3. Minus 3, that is here minus 27x, minus 27. Minus 3, then it is a minus 3, minus 3. That is minus 6a minus 27. That is a equal to 9 by 2. Now go there where for the first time you introduced a and b. Where you introduced a and b? In equation 2. Can you remember? In equation 2, you introduced a and b. So go there. From 2. From 2 we get 9x by x plus 3 x minus 3 is equal to 9 by 2 x plus 3 plus what is b? 9 by 2 x minus 3. From 2 I have put the values. In 2 I have put the values. So we can write here, you see, is equal to 9 2 into x plus 3 plus 9 2 into x minus 3. But it is not our math. What is our math? Can you remember, please? What is our math? From 1, we get x cubed by is equal to x plus, I think it is our math, right? It was our math that we got left hand side this is equal to s by, okay? Now you just put the value here. It is x, very good, it is x plus. Now you see, what is the value of this part? The value of this part, that means value of this part is this, okay? That is 9 by 2 x plus 3, 9 by 2 x plus 3, 9 by 2 x minus 3. Dear students, if you verify, you will get the same result. But many students have tendency not to get this part. I request them, if you don't show the break, and or if you don't break, if you don't convert it into, I mean, proper fraction, after verifying, you won't get the left hand side. You practice at home. The way I have done, if you don't follow this rule, you will verify your right hand side and you will never get left hand side. I think you have got me. If we verify, then we will easily get the, I mean, left hand side. Another math I gave you, that is x square by, can you please let me know which kind of math is this?
Improper fractions.
It is
One type of
improper. It is improper fraction because this is the same, but it has been subtracted, right? Like this, 3 square by 3 square minus 1 square. This type. Is it? You see? So this is what? Improper fraction. So you have to write down the given rational fraction is an improper fraction. Write down the given rational fraction is an improper fraction. Therefore, we get x square by minus a square equals to what? What I told you. The same thing will be kept as it is. The same thing will be kept as it is, right? So we see. So what else here? A square. A square minus a square will be vanished. So we'll get only x square. Is it? Talk to me. It is equal to x square minus a square by x square minus a square plus a square by x square minus a square, partial fraction, this by this plus this by this. Now it is what? 1. That is a square by x plus a, x minus a. This is 1. Remember one thing. From this math, we have come to know, if the powers are same, there is only 1. Remember one thing always. If the power is same, we get only 1, always. Either it is positive or negative in material, but we will get always 1. Now you write down, hence, a square by x plus a, x minus a is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. Now we get write down let a square by x plus a, x minus a by x plus a, b by. I think you have got me right. What is to do now? Now please do it. And it can be written a square a into x minus a plus b into x plus a. We can write it. Actually, what we have done, multiplying by x plus a, x minus a. Okay. Okay. Putting, now you give here equation 3. Putting, I thought that you would do this math. X equals to a, we get a square equals to x equals to a plus a, right? That means we are getting here a square equals to 2ab. A will be omitted, that is a equals to 2b. So b is equals to a by 2. Putting x equals to minus a in 3, x equals to minus a. So we are getting a square equals to, it will be 0. So it is a minus a minus a. From here we get a square equals to minus 2 a. A will be omitted. So here a is equal to minus a by 2. That means from 2 we get a square by x plus a, x minus a. What was given? Can you let me know? A by what? A equals to what? Minus a by 2. It was x plus 3. Sorry, x plus a. And it is b by, what is b? A by 2. A by 2, x minus a. Was it? Yes, it was. But you failed to do, I don't know, a by 2 into x minus a minus a by 2 into x plus a. I, I, I have written this at first. So what comes to 1? 1 was x square by x square minus a square is equal to 1 plus a square by x plus a x minus a. That is 1 plus, what is the value of this part? This part value is this. You put this value a by 2 into x minus a minus a by 2 into x plus a. You can verify. I think you will get the same result. Verification can be done by you at home. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A math is going to be given x square plus 2x minus 3, x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Can you do this math? Your school exam, it will be given. Can you please do this math? I don't get any answer. The given, it is cube, it is power 2. The given rational fraction is what? An improper fraction. Depending on power, it is 3, it is power 2. Then what would we do? Therefore, x cube plus 2x square plus 2y x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to what I told you that time. What is given in the denominator, you write down. X square plus 2x minus 3, you write down. The denominator will be kept as it is. Now, you write down that in the numerator. It is your first duty. Now you see, have we got the numerator? No, we have not got the numerator. Then what will you do? It is x cube. Very good, you take x. Okay, now we are taking x. Now try to multiply x into x square, that is x cube. X into 2x, that is 2x square. Then it is what? 2. This is 2. But there is minus 3x, minus 3 into x minus 3x. So we need here plus 3x. Have you got it? You see x into x square, x cube, x into 2x, 2x square, into minus 3, minus, but no minus 3x. So it is to maintain the equilibrium. Now this is another plus 2, another plus 2. That means we are getting here x into x square plus 2x minus 3 by x square plus 2x minus 3 plus we are getting here 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 3. Right? Which is equal to x plus 3x plus 2. Now can you please resolve into factors? If we factorize it, we'll get x plus 3 and x minus 1. It is number 1. I have just factorized. You will show this factorization x plus 3 and x minus 1. Now you see here x square power is 2. Here power is 1. So it is a proper fraction. Hence, you have to write down, hence 3x by x plus 3 into x minus 1 is a proper fraction. Let 3x plus 2 by x plus 3 x minus 1 is equal to a by x plus 3 and b by x minus 1. This is 2. Is it okay? What should we write now? Implies that 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 3. Side note, it is 3. Side note, multiplying by x plus 3 x minus 1. X plus 3 x minus 1. Now what should we do? I think you can do it now, right? Putting x equals to 1. This is x minus 1, so x equals to 1. 3 plus 2, 5 equals to b into 1 plus 3. That is, we are getting 4b. So b is equal to 5 by 4. Right? Then putting x equals to minus 3, we get minus 9 plus 2, minus 9 plus 2, minus 9 plus 2 is equal to x equals to minus 3. So a minus 3 minus 1, this part will be 0. From here we get minus 7 is equal to minus 4a. That is a equal to 7 by 4. Why do you introduce a and b? We introduced a and b in 2. So you have to go to 2 directly. Therefore, write down. After that, write down 2 implies that. 2 implies that the value of a is what? 7 by 4. You write down 7 by 4. Value of b is 5 by 4. Write down 5 by 4. I have just put the values, nothing else I did here. That is 7 by 4 into x plus 3 plus 5 by 4 into x minus 1. Now write down 1 implies that. What was 1? X cube plus 2x square plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 3. It was equal to x plus, can you remember? X plus what? 3x plus 2 by x plus 3. It was number 1. Perhaps you will come to know. Now you put the value. It is x plus, what is the value of this part? I mean this part. Its value is what? Its value is this. Okay. So you put this value. 7 by 4 x plus 3, 5 by 4 x minus 1. We are done. If we have any confusion, then please verify at home. We may be wrong or we may be right. Anyway, you verify at home. That day I gave you another math, but if you don't do maths at home, then actually it becomes very hard for me to do. Okay, I will not do this math, but you are to be done with the math I am giving you. 2x by x plus 1 from the activity, x plus 1, x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, it will be, write down a by x plus 1, bx plus c by x square plus 1, then dx plus e by x square plus 1 whole square. It is 1. It is your homework. You do it and post it into Messenger group. No partial fraction will be done. This is the last one. But you are required to do all the examples of partial fraction. All examples of partial fraction.